Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today we are going to talk about guys infinix phone setting guys, and today video title is guys how can we on color inversion and how can we use it. Friends, you want to on guys infinix on my phone color inversion, so how can you on, how can you use it? I will show you, I will tell you guys. So friends, you will have to on guys your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, we will click on guys our phone special function setting guys. Click on phone special function guys, click on phone accessibility, and fans click on guys this phone color inversion guys. We will tap here to on it. After on guys your theme will dark automatic, and fans everything will change in your phone. Means guys your background color and guys photos guys images guys will like ghost guys, you can see. So guys we call it color inversion like that guys. You can use guys this color inversion setting guys in your infinix phone device guys. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to on color inversion and how can we use it. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video guys.